Stories down there.
That's how we roll, people.
This is going to be a great battle.
Just so lucky. For him as well. I did not start out with a great start, but this little guy on the she's sponsored by Creative Industries and LG1. James Winstra is on the team. And that has got to be because Sophie is somewhere up in the upper part of this race. Let's see you get your whole shot. And I'll put some binoculars on this. So we finally got some. Never really know how that's going to end up. But unofficially got an 8 and 8. That would do her with a better finish on the second moto. Could put her on the third. In the junior ski 10 to 12 light division, what a great job. He's going to go in and get a hug and a high five.